Welcome back to the Rustic Planters, where we turn everyday outdoor spaces into breathtaking garden escapes. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and low-maintenance trends in modern landscaping: rock and gravel gardens. These designs are redefining backyard beauty with clean lines, natural textures, and effortless elegance. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space without the constant upkeep of traditional lawns, you're in the right place. Rock and gravel gardens offer a perfect balance of simplicity and sophistication, making them ideal for both small patios and expansive backyards. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Rustic Planters. Hit that like button and drop a comment below telling us your favorite garden style. Your support helps us keep bringing you fresh ideas every week. Minimalism is no longer just an interior design trend. It's taking over outdoor spaces too. Rock and gravel gardens embrace simplicity by focusing on structure, space, and intentional design rather than excess greenery. This approach creates a calming, uncluttered environment that feels both modern and timeless. With fewer elements competing for attention, each stone, plant, and feature becomes more impactful. The beauty of minimalist landscaping lies in its versatility. Whether you prefer a Zen-inspired retreat or a contemporary courtyard, gravel and rock elements can adapt to your vision effortlessly. Not all gravel is created equal, and selecting the right type can dramatically influence your garden's overall look. From pea gravel to crushed stone and lava rock, each option brings its own texture and color palette. For a soft and inviting feel, pea gravel works beautifully in walkways and lounging areas. If you're aiming for a bold, modern statement, darker crushed stones or black basalt can add striking contrast. Mixing different gravel types can also create depth and visual interest. Layering colors and textures allows you to design zones within your garden without the need for physical barriers. Large rocks and boulders are the stars of any rock garden. These natural sculptures anchor your design and provide a sense of permanence and strength. Strategically placing a few statement rocks can instantly elevate your backyard. Think of them as art pieces, positioned thoughtfully to guide the eye and create balance. Pairing these rocks with subtle lighting can enhance their presence even at night, transforming your garden into a dramatic and inviting outdoor gallery. Rock and gravel gardens pair beautifully with drought-resistant plants, making them both eco-friendly and low-maintenance. Succulents, ornamental grasses, and cacti thrive in these environments. These plants not only conserve water, but also add sculptural beauty to your space. Their unique shapes and colors complement the rugged textures of stone perfectly. By choosing native or climate-adapted plants, you can create a sustainable garden that flourishes with minimal effort while still looking lush and vibrant. Gravel pathways are both functional and visually appealing. They guide movement through your garden while adding a soft crunch underfoot that enhances the sensory experience. Curved paths can create a sense of mystery and exploration, while straight lines offer a more modern and structured aesthetic. The choice depends on the mood you want to set. Edging your pathways with stones, metal, or wood can help define the space and keep the gravel neatly contained, ensuring a polished and professional look. One of the secrets to a stunning gravel garden is layering textures. Combining stone with wood, metal, and even concrete can add richness and depth to your design. For example, a wooden deck surrounded by gravel creates a warm contrast, while metal planters can introduce a sleek, industrial edge. These combinations keep the space visually dynamic. The key is balance. Mix materials thoughtfully so they complement rather than compete with each other, resulting in a cohesive and harmonious outdoor space. Lighting can transform your rock and gravel garden from simple to spectacular. Soft, warm lights can highlight textures and create a cozy evening ambience. Consider using ground lights along pathways or spotlights to illuminate statement rocks and plants. This adds depth and drama while improving functionality at night. With the right lighting, your garden becomes an extension of your living space, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests in style. Rock and gravel gardens are more than just a trend. They're a lifestyle choice that blends beauty, sustainability, and modern design. With the right elements, you can create a backyard that feels both luxurious and effortless. From minimalist layouts to bold focal points and textured materials, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're starting small or planning a full transformation, these ideas can help you craft a space you'll love for years to come. Thank you for watching the Rustic Planters. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear which trend you're excited to try next. See you in the next video.